Ukufadabana kwesiphehli samanzi iRooiwal kwaqama kakhulu nyakenye ngesikhathi kuqubuka isifo sohudo. Izakhamizi zaseHammanskraal zithi sekuphela isikhathi eside lesi siphehli iRooiwal silungiswa. Asiculusekile ngombiko kahulumeni ngodaba lwamanzi angahlanzekile.
We are not satisfied. The water is still dirty. We don't have the access of water, clean water. We are still struggling. There is nothing that we can do. Either maybe they say they must come with option 3 to say no, let Mahalis help. We are still struggling.
Ungqongqoshe wezamanzi nenhlanzeko uSenzo Mchunu uthi khona inqubekela phambili esiyenziwe ngokulungiswa kwesiphehli samanzi iRooiwal.
Amanzi okuqala nje azophuma lapha. Azophuma ngoSeptember 2024. Okusho ukuthi njoba ku-April sizocela nje ukuthi nisilinde kuphela April, May, June, July, August, September, 6 months.
Imeya yaseTshwane uSilas Brink iqinisekise izakhamizi ukuthi seliqaliwe uphenyo ngezinsolo zongasetshenziswa ngendlela efanele kwezimali njengoba kuqhubeka umsebenzi wokulungiswa kweRooiwal.
There's been an investigation into the money that was spent before at Rooiwal. The Municipal Council of the city approved that investigation. The city manager has started it, and we expect the outcome of the disciplinary hearings that have been done within days.
Iziphathimandla zithi nakuba amanzi ahlanzekile kulindeleke aphume ngomandulo, kodwa kuzothatha ezinye izinyanga ukuthi ke amanzi aphume ngokugcwele anele bonke abantu.